also. See some of those. How's everything going?
It's going all right, Coach.
Gotta get some races under our belt here.
I know, right?
Finish line is good.
Folks doing all this extra talking. They getting set. Get set. Go. She go. She go. Here she go. There she go. There she go right there. There she go right there. Got the smoke going. Got the smoke going. About right there. Got the smoke going. Huh?
Pretty good heat
Got the
right
smoke
there.
going right there. B smoke. We out.
Hey, we're getting ready to watch Mariah, baby Wilma Rudolph, run the 4x400. That's one whole lap around for y'all that don't know.
Okay, that's her sister. Also, you know, Mariah, tell him Mariah was in a wheelchair for 6 months, right?
Well, we're getting ready for the gun to shoot right now.
Yes, she was. She was in a wheelchair for 6 months, and let's see her do this business. She's great to do the 4x4, the 4x4.
The 4x400 meter relay.
Did y'all hear that? 4x4 100 meter relay. This is really what we call a the high school is doing their own little track meet today because they got canceled for the actual track meet. But this is what they doing. This is what my daughter do all the time. So she gonna make quick work of this one. So let's get it. She's in second place. Or should I say she's the second leg, should I say.
I want you to start from the prior gun and take the entire race. Right here. Right, you do, didn't you? Right here. And take you come down lane 6, all those blue diamonds right
She's second, she's second, so she won't run this person. She's gonna pick up on, she's gonna get past the baton here shortly. Business here and catch up to the mother ones.
All right, you're in first place.
So they're gonna make my kid run hard. go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Look at her. She walking. She walking. Come on. She walking. She walking.
Third leg over right here.
Let's go.
This side of the yellow down. This side. You're taking it left
Come on,
hand,
she
you're
walking
taking
it, girl.
a glass of water.
She walking her. She walking her. She walking the girl. She walking her. Walking her. Walking her. She walking her. She walking her. Just past her. Just past her. She just passed her. She just passed her. Just passed her. Just passed her. Keep it coming. Let's go! Come on, let's go! Let's go! Keep it going! There you go, there you go! Good job, good job! Good job! That's how we do it there. Guarantee you. Next week we go to the next track meet. I will be at the next one. Peace out. See y'all then.